So we've been asked to find the equation of a line that passes through the points 3 and 2 and it has a gradient of -2, and we've been asked also to sketch the graph. So we know that m is our gradient, m is -2, and it passes through the point 3 and 2. I'm just going to rub out this question now so we have more space to write. So m equals -2 and it passes through 3 and 2, and we're asked to sketch the graph. So we know that a straight line graph has the general form y equals mx plus c. M is our gradient, the c is our y-intercept. We know that m is -2, so we know that y equals -2x plus c. Passes through these points, and we need to find our y-intercept, so it does pass through those points. So we know that 3 is x and 2 is y. We've also got 3 unknowns, but we can substitute these values into the equation to determine y. So we can rewrite this equation as 2 equals -2 times by 3 plus c. And now we just make c the subject of the formula. So 2 equals -6 plus c, and then we're going to plus 6 to both sides to cancel out this 6 on each side. So that'll become 8 equals c. So our new equation, well, not new equation, but the equation that has a gradient of -2 and it passes through these points equals y equals -2x plus 8. Now I've been asked to sketch this. So this graph is going to go through 8 up here, but in order to sketch this graph, we need to know a bit more information. We need to determine an x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, well, let's look at the y-intercept. What do we know about the y-intercept? For the y-intercept, x equals 0. In order to find the x-intercept, y must equal 0. So to find the x-intercept, y equals 0, and we substitute that 0 here. So 0 equals -2x plus 8. And now we make x the subject of the formula. So we minus 8 off each side to give us -8 equals -2x. And now we want x by itself, so it's going to be divided by -2, divided by -2, and 4 equals x. Therefore, x-intercept is 4, 0. So it's going to cut here at 4, 0. So this straight line graph is going to, oh, that's not a good one at all. So it's going to cut at this point here and that point here. And that is how to sketch this particular graph.